Crowds, traffic, tourists taking selfies. Another normal day in the heart of London. It will be the last one for weeks or months. A sombre Prime Minister telling us that all our lives are about to change. Coronavirus is accelerating rapidly, and so is the government response.
Now is the time for everyone to stop non-essential contact with others and to stop all unnecessary travel. We need people to start working from home where they possibly can, and you should avoid pubs, clubs, theatres and other such social venues.
The gravity of the situation etched into the PM's face as he asked us to put normal life on hold. Entire families instructed to stay at home for 14 days if anyone has a temperature or a cough.
If you or anyone in your household has one of those two symptoms, then you should stay at home for 14 days. That means that if possible, you should not go out even to buy food or essentials.
And for the elderly, those with serious health conditions and pregnant women, an even more drastic measure.
In a few days' time, by this coming weekend, it will be necessary to go further and to ensure that those with the most serious health conditions are largely shielded from contact, from social contact, for around 12 weeks.
All of this voluntary for now. That could change too. This is quite a big step change from where we were even 4 days ago. But in other Western European countries and the US, they're going further still. There's states of emergency, cities enforced lockdown, families being asked to stay at home even if they are not ill, schools closed. Are these the sorts of measures you think the public should expect in the next few days?
Well, Beth, just on where we are in relation to others, don't forget that other countries are at different stages in their movement up the curve, and we've always made it very clear that the crucial thing is timeliness. When you come to more extreme measures like curfews and so on and so forth that you're seeing in some other countries, we're keeping all measures under review.
The days and weeks ahead will be like nothing we've known for decades.
I can't remember anything like it in my lifetime. I don't think there's really been anything like it in peacetime, and we have to accept that it's a very considerable psychological, behavioural change that we're asking the public, the nation, to do.
A global pandemic that now requires a wartime effort from us all. Today our lives changed. They will change even more. Beth Rigby, Sky News, Westminster.